Here we are, day 2, with the monkey on my head already.
Today we're at Karmakandara Beach Club, and honestly, so far I can say this trip has been everything that I could have wanted.
Hi, I'm Esme. We're on day 6 of Tea World Tours. We're in the jungle right now, on our way to see the waterfall. It's quite of a way down, but I know it's going to be worth it. My favorite part has to be the ATV. I felt like the coolest person alive.
It was my first time ever ATVing.
Hi, my name is Pascal, and today is Yacht Day here in Bali.
I just want to say from the bottom of my heart that your friends are lying to you, and that's not a yacht, that's a speedboat. That is all. That is all I have to say.